I think they'll come back down.
We've seen Tom Chilton go down in the red Nissan.
Should do.
The BMW i8 electric hybrid is the blue car central section here by the glass triangle. This is Russell Douglas talking to you from the commentary box, and we're situated right opposite the green triangle. And Henry Holtzcroft is down at Monkey Island end. In fact, he's just making his way there now, when he will have an opportunity to talk to some of the drivers. That is one of the maddest cars we've seen. Bjorn Arnold in the open top white car there. That is the Dodge Viper with an 8.3 litre V10 engine. This is a Corvette, the American Chevrolet Corvette. With Rick Rogers driving it.
Comes the Lambo.
The yellow one. That's Nick Holmes, the Lamborghini Murcielago.
The Gallardo or the Murcielago. I was confused.
Ferrari, Lamborghini, Alfa Romeo, sorry, not the Alfa, Maserati, there we are, the black Maserati, the GTS. Go down to Monkey Island. We're going to be seeing the 204 mile an hour McLarens, the 650S.
Maybe not doing 204 miles an hour.
570.
Here comes the
That's the
S40.
Ferrari S40 by the green triangle. 40 years with the Ferrari company. 40 years.
That's what I want to have on. Here comes Mr. McLaren, the 670.
There's the McLaren, the orange car, the McLaren 570 there. That's driven by Grant Connolly. Top speed of 204 miles an hour. A mere 3.8 litres. Twin turbo charge. This is the Tesla.
This isn't
All
sporty.
electric.
It's
Two
electric.
engines, two motors.
Yes,
Two
it
electric
is.
motors. One over the front wheels, driving the front wheels, one over the back wheels. Whatever. Really fast, surprisingly
It's an electric
fast.
sporty.
The pure electric car, Tesla. The GT40, this is a replica of the 1965 Ford GT40. Cars goes for the road. Hugely valuable now, the originals, the few originals that there are.
You saw the procession of
This is
green.
I did see the Nissan.
Another of our Ferraris, the white car That's Alan Jones in the red Ferrari just passing the triangle. It's the 360. Alan Jones in the V8 engine 360.
This one that doesn't look real.
Now the Audi. The Audi R8, the four-wheel drive wheel. Highlighted yellow.
This doesn't look real.
It is real.
That is actually highlighted yellow, isn't it? It's actually highlighted yellow. They used the whole pack of highlighters. There's the Lotus. The matte black car is the Lotus of John Clark. It's the supercars rather than turbo cars, forcing the fuel into the engine at the front end, so to speak, of the cycle. There's an F40 another F42 of them. There are only 1,300 made. We've got 2 in Bonrmouth. It's really good race technology to a road car back in 87.
They had a reunion, didn't they, at Silverstone a few years ago. Pretty much every F40 ever made. And they almost killed the back.
And the 40C, see the obvious following of the lines from the earlier original GT40 chase. That going down towards Monkey Island now was a Ford GT from the later period. This is the DeLorean.
The DeLorean.
The brushed
I was going to go through the
stainless
speed
steel,
in a minute.
unpainted DeLorean made for DeLorean command. We put that together. And
Inside.
DeLorean sadly running out of everything in 1983. Closing down. They've made 9,000 of them in the meantime. That's a Brook. The open wheeled car with the cycle wings is the Brook.
Another little detail, Russell, on Barry Shellard's Ferrari Challenge Stradale. That's F1 Duo that we've just seen go past us. It's signed by Paolo Pininfarina.
Ah. The designer.
Indeed.
And the rumble of a V10.
It's a great sport.
8 litre V10.
Yeah, looks exactly like the Orica run visor from the American Le Mans series back in 2000. Very successful car on the Daytona 24 hours outright in the class.
I think they're gonna. I see lights over there.
That's a good circuit to go and watch the race if ever you're over in Florida to see all the fun and games available in the sunshine in Florida, like the theme parks and the beaches and so on. See if you coincide with the race at Daytona, that's quite spectacular. The famous Daytona banking, you're able to get there and stand on the inside of the course and look up at the banking. It's quite extraordinary. See the cars going around at the top of the banking during the race.
And Tom Chilton on his way to a rolling start. There's no stopping at the start line. He's gunned that 750 horsepower Nissan off the line.
Coming together. That's good. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Arrived just in time, Russell. The supercars coming thick and fast. Of exotic metal.
they don't slow down very much, do they?
The green car is 650 pounds. The McLaren 650S, the blue Jaguar, and the blue and black BMW i8 hybrid. There is George Arnold with the open white Bonrmouth red open Corvette.
Pedestrians and buttons one.
Maserati making all the noise. An F40, Ferrari F40. Now watch this Tesla go, there's the inside. Watch that go. That's a 4-seater. The GT40 in blue and orange. Ferrari, Audi, highlight yellow, another Ferrari, the 430 F1 Spider, then the Lotus, the matte black is the Lotus, the F40 again, half the triangle, the Ford GT is next, the bottom of the Ford GT, and there's Barry Shellard in the 360 Challenge Stradale.
Was the red one the last one?
That was the last one.
Oh, okay. No.
Stainless steel DeLorean